This video, let's talk about the PVE installation error map. Search 20 times. Click on the logo. Click ISO to upload. Select File. Select this USB flash drive diagram. Click to upload. The upload has now been completed. Then we can create a new virtual machine. Name it. Click Next. Select this mirror. Click Next. Here we choose this one. Click Next. Give it 100. Click Next to give it 6. Select Host. Click Next. Give it this memory. Click Next. Click Next. Click Finish. A101 will be generated here. Remember, let's change the startup sequence first. Move the image to the top of this disk. Click OK. Click to start. Install. Enter. Continue. 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 Keep it up. Keep it up. Wait for a while. Continue. Select below. Continue. Continue. Enter name. Continue. Continue to confirm. Continue. Continue. Wait for it to complete the installation. Seeing this revolving log means the installation is successful. This installation system is no longer needed. Let's install it repeatedly, then restart again. Okay, let's log in now. No problem either. Oh, let's go back and summarize the installation companion picture now. The system first enters this logo, ISO select to upload this ISO image. Then create this new virtual machine. After new construction, the first thing we do is we change the boot sequence. Check this. Then the system comes first. Then OK, and then start it again. Go through our installation process. After the installation process is completed, the system. Go and put this in the startup order. This system orientation. Check cancel. To be safe, drag it to the bottom. So when we start it, we have already installed a successful system. Then do this. CTRL to view our current one. The system has succeeded so far.